I have been building my audience with YouTube for almost 2 months now, with over 50 videos. So most of the accidental clicks that I made were over a month or so ago. So I'm going to give you the results of my analytics for the last 28 days. My results have improved since my last update, but still nothing to write home about. I had 613 impressions, which means 613 people saw my thumbnails. I had a 3.1% impression click-through rate, and I don't know if that's good or bad. I had 36 views to my videos, and 27 of those were unique visitors. I hope this helps you see what an average person will have to do to build an audience on YouTube. It will take you a lot of motivation, determination, and patience. At the end of this video, I also added the results of first-time unemployment claims for the last week, if you're interested. I'll see you tomorrow. Please like and subscribe.